I am accompanying Alex in the snow on Haywood Road to get some Waffle House. Can y'all imagine this? He really wants Waffle House. So here we are out walking in inches of snow to get it. This is Haywood Road. You see a few cars on the road, not many. Some just zipping by like they're on a freeway with no snow.
Everything says it's open, but they're not.
Yeah. No, because I imagine they didn't want to deal with the roads or all this snow. Y'all, it's that powdered kind of snow. I tried rolling it up in a ball and it wouldn't even stick because it was just, it's like that powdered sugar that you top your donut with. That's the kind of the snow that we're dealing with. On the bridge over 385. You see a few cars on it, but oh well, that fortunately the interstate, you can take a look at the roads, those aren't obstructed at all, which is good news for whoever has to drive that way. Looks like somebody might be stranded behind us on 385 back there. Ooh, this is not the weather to be driving in, so that's why we're opting to walk instead. We don't want to be stranded on the side of the road. Oh my gosh, y'all. I think we found a restaurant that's open in the Snowmageddon. So we found handy Indian cuisine on Haywood Road. That is open. This is buffet bar here at Handy Indian cuisine. Like literally the only place open today, and this is Snowmageddon. We are grateful.
My boss, we talked about, we had a talk yesterday. He recommended that I do. You want to check this dumpster? Check that dumpster
For cardboard boxes? Yeah, let's do it.
We got a pallet over there. We could build a sled.
Oh my gosh. Let's go. I'm all about it. Let's do it. So y'all, my lashes are full of snow flurries. Alex and I, we found this cardboard box. Yeah, it needs to be broken down for sure. We found a hill to go sleighing down. That didn't feel good, did it?
I mean, it worked, right?
All right.
Let's still rolling.
Try this again.
Rolling.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. There's a snowplow up ahead.
Good job. You need help there? Don't ruin your snow, Angel.
Oh my gosh!